There are 7 categories in Western massage. Let's name them: effleurage, petrissage, friction, vibration, tapotement, range of motion, and touch without movement. Within those 7 categories, there are 40 strokes to choose from. So you can look on the resource page. There's a list of them there as well as on the slideshow. But we're going to work through them in this first module of the total body flow massage method. It's my goal to demonstrate and teach all 40 strokes, giving you a strong foundation with an arsenal of strokes to choose from so that you can turn your massage into a work of art. Let's get started.